Happy Friday, Ronchar Ranchers. I hope everybody had a wonderful week. We had some warm weather there in Western New York, and as you can see behind Louie, we're back into the hands of winter, which is fine because I'd rather have it a little colder and the ground a little harder. Not icy as it is right now, but cold is okay. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with Louie. He has had a setback. His leg, his right rear leg is once again twitching more and or spasming more, whatever you want to call it. In addition, he is having episodes with his head where it's very obvious that his head is bothering him. He wants his head rubbed a lot more, and he's stretching his neck out and doing some weird movements with his head and neck. So all of that is very concerning. Obviously, it's nowhere near to the level that it was prior to starting the supplements and everything else. However, it is definitely a step back. So, you know, there could be a couple of things going on. It could be that he slipped and fell on the ice, and or he just slipped and he tweaked something somewhere in his neck or back, and that is what's causing some issues with him. It could be that he is actually back to that the protozoa are not all gone. It could be that he has teeth issues. So we have some investigating to do and some decisions to make. His chiropractor is coming in on Monday to work on him. He is due anyway, and after talking with Dr. Lauren, I had already put in motion that the chiropractor was coming, and she pretty much said, you know, I think it's a good idea. You know, maybe that's one of the things that we need to check off. So we are doing that. He will. Rob will be here on. Rob will be here on Monday to take care of him. So hopefully we'll see some positive results from that. We are trying to get the dentist in. We have tried to get the dentist in for several months, but life has happened, and he had some family emergencies, and it just wasn't happening. So now that it's warmer, we're trying to schedule it back, and by warmer I mean, you know, not sub-zero wind chill that it has been for a while. So we're trying to get him here, and I'm also looking into some homeopathic remedies that have shown great results. I'm talking to a company that has been doing this for 20 years, dealing with EPM. So we're going at this from every possible angle. We're going to keep up with his supplements. Even if we do go the homeopathic route, all of the supplements have to still be on board, because what we're trying to do with the homeopathic treatments is we're trying to kill the protozoa that Martha Faraday think are still present, and that's I sent her a video And she thinks that AZ, troublemaker, always has to be stirring the pot. Sorry about that, guys. But what I was saying is that Martha took a look at some video that I sent, and she thinks that he still has some protozoa. So that is what we are trying to. Hi, buddy. That is what we are trying to eliminate with the homeopathic solution. So we'll have to see. That regardless, it's going to take a while for the shipment from the homeopathic. You can see a little bit how he's moving and how stiff he is. But sorry, it's going to take a while anyway for the homeopathic treatment. So we have time for the chiropractor to come in and see if that's going to make a difference. And see if we can get the dentist in to see if that's going to make a difference too. So even though I'm attempting to try everything or get the one by one, there's enough time lapse between them that I should be able to figure out which one is working. So just trying to keep up with him today. Everybody's rotating around. The boys are definitely a little more jumpy with the wind and everything. But yeah, so that's the main update. We're gonna take a three-pronged approach to Louie's setback, and hopefully everything working together will get him back on track. As always, I will keep you guys updated. You saw him and Chase yesterday playing, or doing a dominance game, actually. A couple of people commented on it. Normally, Louie is much more aggressive, or stands his ground a lot more than the video that you saw yesterday. That's a telltale sign that he's not up to snuff. He knows that he is not as mobile as he needs to be. You guys saw it when he was walking. So when he's in that situation, he definitely is not the antagonist. He is not as assertive as he normally is. So, oh, thank you so much for the best wishes. We're keeping our fingers crossed. This isn't a sprint, this is a marathon. And when we got the diagnosis and I started looking into it, I knew this wasn't going to be like a one and done kind of thing. From all the people that I talked to and everything that I was reading, it is definitely a roller coaster ride. And Louie is putting on one hell of a ride right now. So any well wishes is greatly appreciated. Warm thoughts, anything. Support is muchly needed. Emotional support, honestly, is muchly needed at this point for me. But, you know, we're still at it. We're still trying. We still, you know, we're still looking for answers, and we're not going to stop. We know that something is going to work. We just need to get the right combination of everything. And most importantly, we have to be 100% sure that the protozoa are out of his system for everything else to work. So, I'll keep you guys updated. If you have a long weekend, enjoy your long weekend. Please be safe. Western New York with the thaw and then freeze. Roads were nasty this morning. So please be safe, be well, and keep Louie in your thoughts. Would be greatly appreciated. All right, Roan Charm Ranchers, be well. I will keep you guys updated during the week if anything changes, but definitely I will see you guys next Friday. Be well, everyone.